just lucky to get one.
Wow.
May trivia ako dito.
Anong trivia dito behind the Aerobat?
No, birthday ko yan, 9/4/87.
Wow.
Kasi nga, it's so special. I can't find another one, so I put my birthday.
How about this?
This is the regular 152.
Yeah.
So, as you can see,
So parang vintage car restoration, vintage
yeah,
cars,
it's
but
1981.
all these planes fly.
Yeah.
Welcome to Fly High Media again, everyone, and I am back here in Manila, but this time I am again surrounded by airplanes, and I'm here at the general aviation area of the NAIA airport. You can see behind me all private planes. So there's a Learjet over there. I don't know what other airplanes they have here, but they do have a Dornier, which is used for trips to Manpulo, and then over there is Alpha Land Aviation. Yeah, they said going to Balisin Island. So yeah, time to show you around. Alright, we're here with Sahl,
Hi!
showing us all the planes here at Genav.
So, this will be for the academy.
Okay.
So, we have about 3 Cessna 152, the typical flight school plane. And we have a special 152 right there.
That's the Aerobat.
That's the very, very rare.
Super rare Aerobat.
Yep, just arrived a few months ago.
Guys, Aerobat to.
Only 315 was made
Wow.
in the whole world. It's a piece of Americana. Meron na sa Smithsonian ito. So,
Wow.
we were just lucky to get one.
Wow.
May trivia ako dito.
Anong trivia dito behind the Aerobat?
No, birthday ko yan, 9/4/87.
Wow.
Kasi nga, it's so special. I can't find another one. So, I put my birthday as its registry.
Wow. Who's gonna fly this?
Well, the flight school.
Alright guys, just for an idea how small this plane is, that over there is a 737-200. It's basically the second variant release of a 737. So basically it's small compared to an Airbus. But beside this Cessna, ang laki niya tignan.
Yeah, so
That's how small. That's how small this airplane is.
Oh, they call this the upset it's for the upset prevention. Oh, it's locked. Look at that piece. So, still has the original ship skin. Look at that. So, old 747. There you go.
Wow.
There you go. It has quick release door in case mag-roll.
Okay.
So in case something's wrong here, they can pull this. Automatically matatanggal yung door, and then they can jump out with the parachute. Usually you fly this with a parachute.
Yeah.
It can do anything that you want.
So what was this intended for? Was this
For
intended
aerobatics.
for aerobatics?
Yeah, for loops, even 8 spins.
Tight high G turns.
Positive 6, minus 3.
Positive 6G
Minus 3.
minus negative 3G.
Yep.
Wow.
So,
And this plane's really light. Definitely light.
super.
Still doesn't have its props yet, no?
I changed its prop to a newer prop that it gives 5 more horsepower.
Oh.
Should be here any day. So
Oh.
just a little something for the instructors. Give them 5 more horsepower. That's a lot for us for small planes.
So
It has a 150 horsepower engine.
Wow.
And sits 2.
So guys, just for your information, this plane is really special. 300 made worldwide, super rare, and that's how it looks compared to a Boeing 737. Hindi sa inyo to tong
No.
737.
It's not flying anymore. So it's only for training.
For training.
So
Alam mo,
this is a typical 152.
this one.
That's a typical. So basically everything is the same except that has a reinforced body,
Okay.
reinforced body, better structural integrity. It has those quick release doors, same engine, same everything except for it can do everything.
Can do tricks.
All the tricks in the book. That little sucker there can do it.
How about this?
This is the regular 152.
Yeah.
So, as you can see, right there.
Oh,
we're
this thing.
supposed to fly. Oh, it's open.
This thing's really small, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Pasok
Oh,
ka,
man.
pasok ka. Yeah.
liit. Yeah, guys, that's how small this plane is. As in, for a large size person like me.
Hindi, pwede yan. It's built for Americans. Pasok ka.
Oh,
Sa flight school plane. Sige.
Okay, let's get in. Wow, maliit nga.
Yeah, laki-laki yan.
Yeah, actually. There, I have to pull my feet in. There you go. So that's how it's like being in a 152.
Yep.
Talaga dikit shoulders kayo.
The ultimate trainer plane.
Yep. Well, it's always best to learn from the manual flying, because this is where they develop your airmanship at the end of the day. I mean, planes right now are very automated, but you know, it's always best to start out with this.
This is the OG.
Yep. Everything's analog here.
Yep. We have 2 of this. We have 2 of the regular, 1 of the Aerobat, and then come on, we'll move on to the bigger ones.
All right.
For training as well. So
Okay.
step there.
So, which is your personal baby here?
That's my personal plane.
All right.
It's a Cessna 206, 300 horsepower, 6 passengers.
Whoa.
It's actually on steroids. We changed the whole engine.
Okay.
We used to have an IO 520 engine. Now it has a IO 550 engine with a brand new propeller.
3-blade.
This thing can go fast, and it can climb really high.
What's the maximum ceiling for this?
This one has a ceiling of about 14,700. Though we don't go really high.
Yeah.
9.5, 10.5. So that's already the sweet spot then. It's fuel injected. More than that, well, of course, we need oxygen na, diba?
Yeah.
Supplemental oxygen. So usually 9.5, 10.5, okay na kami.
Okay, let's check it.
Come on the other side.
Maybe the other side's open.
Oh.
Right? Chopper's coming in.
He's right here. Come on, let's go to the other hangar.
Alright, so we're headed for the other hangar. Guys, ang sarap mong spot dito talaga. PAE 146 of Skyjet. Looks like that one's being tested. This usually flies to Basco, Batanes, if I'm not mistaken.
So that plane, that's a Piper Aztec.
Okay.
We use that for charter,
Mhm.
for passenger. It sits 6, has a 2-engine, the multi-engine, it's a 2-engine aircraft. So this is where the love happens.
Alright, so we're at the hangar right now of Topflite Academy. Wow, check out those planes. 152. No. 170 or 182. And then more twin engine aircraft. And all the magic's happening here.
So we import.
Mhm.
Okay, so this one, my latest import came from Australia. So we're in the process of building it back. It's
Okay.
former glory or nicer. So as you can see, it still has VH on it. It's still registered in Australia, but give us a few months, it will be
Airworthy.
airworthy in the Philippines, but we have to do everything here. So what we do, what SkyAerotrade do, is that we put the planes back together, we fix it, clean
Yeah.
it up, because in the Philippines, labor is not much of a hassle. So this will be up in about 2-3 months.
2-3 months.
Yeah. Same
Sahl,
goes.
how did you start with everything, knowing that you started as a flight steward and then you now have
With parts.
this big wow, you
So I
can put up
started
a
with-
whole airline.
We do have a small airline. It's called the Topflite Airways. So it's a small charter. It's a small charter business out of Manila, Zamboanga, Tawi-Tawi, Holo. So we operate 17-seater let.
Wow.
So the let is in Binalonan.
Uh-huh.
We're painting it. We're fixing it there.
Uh-huh.
It won't fit here in my tiny hangar.
So all in all, how many planes do you have?
Oh God. 349, 416, 7988, 7983, 5885, 9487, 8701, 7986, 798, 7980, 8070, 10.
Wow.
10 for now. Oh, and 83's there. I'll show you 83's.
Alright. So guys, if you remember what we featured on the Fly High Manila website, that's flight steward who started out as a flight steward but now has his big business and has 10 airplanes. This is him.
Hi.
That's Sahl Onglatco.
Alright. This is a 172 Romeo. It is the same, it's the sought after model of the Cessna 172 4-seater. It's made 1998. So it's pretty much new. I imported this personally from Korea, original from the States, then Korea, and then here now in the Philippines. It's serving as a flight school trainer plane, 4-seater. Okay.
4-seater.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very
Go
new.
here. Wow.
Yeah.
So
So
here.
not your typical 172 because it's fuel injected as well. These are
Okay.
the new ones already.
So this is a 4-seater.
Yeah.
What do you call this? 17
Romeo.
Romeo.
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the difference between this and the 172M and
Okay, the 172M, just like what you see there, those are the carbureted type.
Okay.
So the M, the N, and the P, those are the 1970s, the 1980s model. This is the 2000 model. So when you buy it off the factory, 2021, you get the same engine, same propeller, except for the avionics. The avionics will be on the glass.
Okay.
This is the last version of the analog.
Oh.
This is the last of the analog. But everything will, if you buy one from the factory right now, engine prop the same, structure is the same, everything's the same. So this is a very sought after model. Actually, PAL-AB School has all 172 Romeos and SPs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's a very beautiful plane to fly. Fly this.
I wish I can fly.
Yes, of course. Actually, all of my planes, I fly all of my planes.
Oh.
So,
Yep. 172 Romeo. Right. Of Topfliteacademy.com. So guys, if you want to be a pilot and learn the basic skills of flying, and be a pilot in the future, please do check out topfliteacademy.com. Kita nyo naman, ang dami nilang eroplano, and not only that, you guys are taken care by one of the best pilots here, Sahl Onglatco.
I'll join you on your introductory flight.
But you employ the best instructors. Dapat, yeah.
Dapat.
We can't shortchange because this is safety.
Yes.
Safety is always paramount. This is for sale.
That's for sale.
All right.
That's a November model, but it's 6.5 for that model.
Okay, so who was 6.5 over there?
Get a plane.
You can now own a plane. Some would spend 6.5 million on like a GTR or a Dodge Hellcat, but you know, you can buy 6.5 million. With 6.5 million, you can buy a plane, an airworthy plane over there. Cessna 172, right?
I'll hook them up with the owner.
Wow.
I'll hook them up with the owner.
So message Sahl, or just leave a comment here. If you're interested on this airplane, you can just leave a comment here, and perhaps someone will see it.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.
For those who want to be, who are aspiring pilots, you may check out topfliteacademy.com. Alright, they have a website. Just to check it out for more information. Alright? Ay titignan natin yung classroom ng Topflite.
Officially started last 2-3 weeks ago. So we were granted an interim approval by the CAAT. Meaning to say we can conduct ground school, we can conduct all the necessary documents for the actual ATOC, the Approved Training Organization certificate. So this is our Manila classroom. We also have Legazpi. We also have Legazpi campus. We also have San Fernando and hopefully Pradera Verde.
Wow, dami ah.
So yeah, so we have to spread our planes, and so we could cater Luzon, Visayas, Bicolandia. Right. So basic classrooms, whiteboard, school, cozy. Yeah.
Basic classroom for ground schooling. Alright. And what do you call this thing?
Well, it's actually a small flight simulator that they play with. So just to augment some learnings, but that's not yet the approved simulator for training. It's only for augmentation.
Yeah, just for them to get a feel, right?
Yeah, so here is our parts supply room.
Right.
So we need parts for the school. There you go.
So may supply room sila. Wow.
Just to make sure that you know the school is maintaining.
Complete.
Yeah, school is maintaining the best possible maintenance we could.
And of course, safety. It's always for the safety of the students and the instructors.
We cannot pull over on the side.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, this vlog of our tour at Geneva, and of course to check out the planes of Topflite Academy and the other planes of Sir Sahl over here. Syempre, kailangan natin siya i-serve kasi he's a very successful entrepreneur. Started a flight steward, and now he is big time entrepreneur.
Oh no!
Alright.
Oh no!
So to everyone who have dreams in life, be it a pilot, be it a cabin crew, or anyone who has big dreams in life, just keep pushing for your dreams. And to all those who want to be a pilot, please come to Topflite Academy of Aviation.
Be a pilot, be on the top of your dream, start here at Topflite Academy.
Alright, thank you everyone for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe here on Flying Media for more information and more videos on the Philippine aviation industry. Alright, bye everyone.